Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. Guys, I'm back to talk about another IM Academy product. Guys, I want to give you guys an inside look at levels, okay? Levels from IM Mastery Academy. So, guys, here is the rundown on levels really quickly. People are absolutely having some fantastic results with levels. Levels was created by the educator Orrin Wright, and it just took the IM Academy world by storm when it came out last year, and has definitely been pulling us some phenomenal results, like I said earlier. But check it out. Levels is an algorithm that identifies entry points, stop loss, and take profits one level at a time in the markets. So the trading style is intraday. Average number of trades, 100 a week, guys. 100 trades a week, that's 400 trades in a month that you can take advantage of a level. So again, no shortage of trades. On Wright is the educator. Language is English. Go live as well as on English. 3 hours a week for levels. What makes levels product unique? It helps the customers. Identify zones by providing entry and exits. And what's going on here? Why is my computer not showing the whole thing here? Let me see something here. I'm trying to see what they talking about here. What are they talking about? There we go. It helps the customers identify zones by providing entries and exits and educates them why they're taking the setups in the markets. What features does the product include? Allow the customers to mark up the chart directly on the platform to confirm the trade based on the strategies taught with it. Now, I'm going to give you guys an inside look at levels. Now, I personally do not use levels. So many products inside the IM Master Academy Stratosphere, right? But I'm going to show you what levels looks like. So levels, let's see if this gets to levels.im. Let me see if it is going to take me there. There we go. So I know what levels, guys. I think everything is traded on levels for sure. Forex, for sure. Indices, crypto, I believe, commodities, oils, I believe is all traded inside on levels. So you can come here. It's the same setup, guys. So notifications, boom, boom, boom. Check it out. Okay, there we go. Yes. So look at these are all of the potential trade setups over here, guys. If you look here, this is pretty cool. I love they're interactive of it. Mondays. Let's see here. I don't know truly what I'm looking at. So let me go here. Strategy. I guess it's showing Mondays. Training. Levels Academy. Got a Levels Academy where I can go in. This I can get to other products. But if I want to go to Levels Academy, I would just hit on that. And then I can watch this video right here about Orrin Wright to learn more about levels, okay? And then obviously watch the sessions, guys, that he has. I believe he has some go live sessions on IM, go live sessions for IM Mastery Academy. I believe he's on there, and I can go check him out if I wanted to. So let me click on something here. Let me just see. This is the alert panel. So let's say if I clicked on this, okay, it loaded this up. Once again, I'm really not sure what exactly how levels works, but for those that use levels, they love it. Okay, so if I click, let me see what Mondays 29. So I know it's all about the different levels, right? It's all about the different levels. So um, from there, these are all of the potential trade setups. Notice that 100 plus a week, but if you look at all these trade setups that were coming in, a lot of trade setups. But just I mainly did this video to show you guys what the inside look of it looks like. Again, the strategy over here is giving you everything you need. It's telling you to pair. And yeah, so levels, if you wanted to get more in depth on it, then you definitely need the product. So I ain't gonna even front like I know what's going on. Okay, all I know, this is looking like a strong buy right here. So I was trying to click on one of these to see if it would give me any information. I just see the levels here, Mondays, Mondays, Mondays. All right, so what I'm gonna do though, this might help me out, is go over to the Telegram group, because what happens is in Telegram, guys, alerts come in for levels. So I want to show you what that looks like. Okay, so let me go to my Telegram groups here, because I am in a levels Telegram. So if I come over here to levels, excuse me, levels alerts. Okay, so yeah, he's on go live. So talk about EA, which is Euro AUD. um, Showing different things here. Okay, check it out. So see this a little bit. We're looking at AUD CHF. So coming here, right? We need to close this gap. Like I said, it looked like a buy. It was a buy opportunity right here on that AUD CHF that I was talking about. All right. So looking at that, had stop loss here. You know, this clearly shot up if I go back over and show you guys what it looked like inside levels. Look at that. Here it is right here. Look at that, man. That thing shot up. So look at it from where it's at in the image really quickly. Where's the telegram at? It's a buy opportunity right here. So around 66.97. Let's just say if it was at 66.97 and coming over here, 66.97 at right here. Somewhere right in there, right? 66.97. That thing shot up, man. How many pips is that? Boom. Pretty much 65 pips. Okay. So going back to the levels group, if I come back in here, what am I looking for? Man, I'm all over the place. There we go. Come back inside the levels group, guys. You can see just showing you all the different trade, the alerts they have going on right here. Different trade setups. Sell now. He gave that alert for people to sell now. Boom on that. So okay, I get to see a little bit of that. It's a buy opportunity he gave right here. That was odd. Another buy opportunity. So anyway, to truly fully understand levels, you need to have the product and go through the academy with the video and learn how to do it.